out the instrument and all accessories. The instrument is equipped with 2 spare fuses, which can be replaced when a fuse in the instrument is broken. Pry open the portion of the fuse with a screwdriver if the fuse is broken. Take out the broken fuse and replace it with a spare one. Install the laser board. Put all the installed handles into the accessory rack in turn. Install the power cord. Then the function selection interface appears. Set energy parameters, time range from 0 to 60 minutes, suggest time 20 minutes. Energy range from 0 to 9, suggest the energy level between 2 and 7. Four modes. M1 Constant Night Mode, M2 Uniform Night Flashing Mode, M3 Fast Night Flashing Mode, M4 Super Fast Night Flashing Mode. Tie a strap of appropriate length to the operation part. Insert the laser board into the strap. Click to start. After the end, turn off the instrument, unplug the power cord, and sterilize the used laser panel with normal saline cotton pads, so that the service life can be prolonged and cross-infection can be avoided during the next use.